So here is our land, and they are fixing here. Look how nice, they're fixing everything. Fixing, go government. Some cry, government is doing great. And they are fixing a lot of stuff and installing solar and these new composite posts. It's working, guys. Good morning. Here's Sun Croix, US Virgin Islands. Let's enjoy the beauty, guys. And watch how we're building our house here in the Caribbean, a container home, tiny home, shipping container. And now we're gonna try the AC. Let's see if it works. The inverter was like making weird sounds. I don't know why, but let's see if we can connect it. Let's see. I think we don't have power enough to do it, but let's see. This one is really manual. One's AC. Let's see. Okay. Seems working. Let me close the windows. Inverter is taking it. Or close the windows now. Oh, it is cooling. Doesn't have much power, but it works. It works. Really manual. Oh, but it works just fine. Yeah, I will turn on the AC for a little bit and chill inside the container. So literally we have solar running the AC, like 2 panels and 1 battery. And this view. And an inverter with 3000. Not much. And I have a lot of stuff connected to it. Alan built this system. We have cameras, security cameras everywhere. Contact with the police. We have a water pump. That one is too powerful. It's not really working with that inverter. We need a more powerful, but the AC is just fine. And we have shower and a water heater. And yeah, it's getting fancy here, guys. And the AC is running for over 40 minutes with 1 battery, 2 solar panels that Alan, my friend, built like in 30 minutes. And it's cool and it's awesome, and I close the container and it will be cold for the night. And you're gonna learn all these things if you subscribe to the channel and you want to learn about how to use solar, how to buy land in the Caribbean beachfront, if you like tiny homes or big homes, because in the end these containers together will be colossal, will be gigantic. If you want to learn how to do framing, all do yourself kind of stuff, it will be amazing. Subscribe, click like, enjoy right now, don't miss it. You're gonna have fun.